to my channel. Well, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you all some outfits from my, some pieces from my site, and I wanted to put together an outfit. Right now I'm on my way to a event, a meet and greet with my new mentor. So I wanted to show you what I'm wearing. We're going to Puff and Petals, the restaurant by K. Michelle. So yeah, I'm finna put that together. The piece I'm wearing is a jumpsuit from my site, from ModNation, and I'm gonna piece it with a sweater. I didn't, it's still kind of cold in these Atlanta streets, so I didn't want to just wear a regular leather jacket, or I didn't want to cover it up. So I'm gonna show you how I'm going to wear a sweater, but it's gonna be a crop, something edgy. And she wanted us to wear pink and orange, so luckily I was going to wear orange anyway. So when she wrote us, emailed us and said she wanted us to wear orange and pink, I was like, good, because I was gonna wear orange anyway.
For blessings, for prosperity, and safe trips home.
Yeah. I was just talking and I was like telling the lady, oh, pour some of the coffee out. I only want half of the cup. And this girl was like, why? You're not supposed to. It's kind of really becoming hard for people to really reach their goals and really even set them. Because sometimes you don't want to set the goal because of that fear. You're like,
So I just want to say that I am so deeply proud of you. Okay? This is my firstborn, okay? And I'm proud of her, and she is so amazing. And to see what she is doing, I was so happy when she started learning with Lilly and started giving back.
So last night was amazing. I met a lot of girls in the same industry I'm in. A lot of them have online stores or online boutiques, like a storefront. So today I will be attending a mixer with Ladies Who Brunch, basically a network event. So I'm going to put together, so like I was saying, I'm still new to this YouTube. So I'm going to a network event here in Atlanta. Just a mixer with Ladies Who Brunch. They're the ones who's hosting it. So I just wanted to show you what I'm wearing. It's nothing major, but I am wearing a piece from my website, which is the Assume bodysuit. I'm gonna just throw some jeans, wear just some old school high waist that I got from the thrift store, Old Navy high waist. So yeah, I don't know if I'm wearing a jacket. I know the ones who follow me on Instagram, I bought this jacket like a while ago, probably like last month. It was on sale, H&M. And you know, when you get that one piece that you love and you start wearing it every day. Yeah, so I'm getting sick of this jacket already. I'm wearing these mules from, where did I get these from? 12 a.m. on Instagram, a shoe company. And I don't have anything else green, so it's just gonna have to do. I probably wear either this snakeskin clutch. Kind of getting tired of snakeskin, but even though my whole website is snakeskin, or I probably wear this purple not throw over, but I don't know. I probably wear this. I don't know. So I think I'm gonna go with the pink purse. I wish I had some long earrings, the color of my shoes, but I couldn't find any. So I just got some like studs that is the same color, but you can't see it. So I'm just gonna be there for an hour and a half, so it will do. So yeah, this is my outfit, and I'll see you at the event. So I'm just not leaving the Ladies Who Brunch event. I'm sorry I did not vlog. I didn't, because for one thing, what I hate about some network events, I hate loud music at events like that. So I have to scream to even talk to someone, and I wasn't finna do that all night. I'm sorry. The music was just too loud. It was more like we was at the club a little bit because it was just too loud. So yeah, I'm sorry. But it was nice, of course, dealing with me and Keone. We was late. My friend Drake, she came. I will include like some snap videos that we did a little bit, but yeah, my friend Drake, she do lashes, Keone do hair, but yeah, it was just too loud, and everybody was basically sitting down. I think they should have probably picked another venue, because the music was too loud. I couldn't network like I wanted to. So it was nice. It was okay for a Thursday night. It was okay. I like going to events. Like, I like meeting new people. You know, networking to see what they do and to tell them what I do. So it was okay. You all should follow them. Ladies Who Brunch, ATL. They always have network events. So yeah. I had on my top tonight, of course, ShopModnation. On Instagram, ModNation. The Assume bodysuit, black bodysuit. She driving too fucking slow. Yeah. I don't know when I'm going to upload this video. Hopefully over the weekend. Yeah. But let me go. I'll see you next time. Follow my Instagram. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow my business page at ShopModNation on Instagram. Go shop. New arrivals will be coming soon again. And I'm going to be doing a giveaway soon. So yeah, stay stay tuned for that. I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So, yeah. It'll be an easy giveaway. You don't have to write a paragraph. You don't have to, you know, do that extra shit. So, yeah. See you all later. Bye.
We started off as close friends. Somehow you turned into my girlfriend. We used to tell each other everything. I even went and bought her diamond rings, matching earrings. Everything was so cool. Lately, baby, been acting so rude. I don't know what somebody told you, but I ain't gon' lie.